Okay, so a map grid reference, such as that one there, is a specific location on a map. Just zoom out a fraction, and so if you've been given a map grid reference, such as this 6-figure grid reference here, how do you actually find it on a map? How would you find that location on a map? I'm going to show you how now. So this is a common 6-figure grid reference. The first 2 letters is an Ordnance Survey sheet number. That's the actual map. All the maps covering Great Britain, different areas, will have a different sheet number. So as in this case, that's SJ. So the map you needs to be SJ. The sheet number of that map needs to be SJ, which I've just so happened to have in front of me. And then it's followed by 6 numbers. Now the first 2 numbers is an easting line. Ignore the 3rd number for the time being, and the 4th and 5th numbers is a northing line. Now the easting lines are the lines that run vertical. They run east across the map, and the northing lines, the northings, run up the map. So you've got the eastings and the northing. So the 07 is an easting line, and the 67 is a northing line. So ignore that number for the time being, and ignore that number for the time being, but you will need them later on. So what you want to look for now, you've got your map, you've got your SJ, so you've got 07, look for 07, easting line 07, and that's it there. I've marked it just for demonstration purposes, 07. And then you look for your northern line, which is 67, and I've got 67 there. So you've got, that's your square there. So that map reference, that the location of that map reference is somewhere in that square. So what you look at now is the 3rd and the 6th number. And what you'll need, you can guesstimate it if you're a half decent map reader, but it's best to be more accurate is get yourself a roamer. You can either get a separate roamer like this one, or all good quality compasses will have roamer scales on them. So you've got your easting line, you've got your 07 and your 67, 07, 67, and like I say, that location is somewhere in that square. So you get your roamer and you look at your reference. So you got on your easting line is 073. So on your easting line, your 07, on your roamer you got your 3. This is a 125 scale map, so your 125 scale. So you got your 3 there on your roamer. So put your 3 on the roamer on your easting line. So it's 073. And then on your northern line, 676. So on your roamer, you've got your 6 there. So keep in the 3 on the eastern line, move your roamer up. So you've got your 6 on your northern line, and you've got your 3 on the eastern line. So it's 073, 676. And then you look up in your top corner there, and you turn away, turn your roamer away, and you've got a footbridge. So that's it. So that grid reference, SJ073676, is that footbridge on the map.